They say you shouldn't meet your heroes. But what about giving them a second chance? I did not have high expectations for the 2017 Nissan GT-R Premium. Broadly praised though, Godzilla, maybe. My last encounter with the supercar left me thoroughly underwhelmed. In 2014, when offered seat time in Nissan's highest performance model, I all but kissed the feet of the individuals responsible. This was one of the fastest accelerating cars in the world. It was difficult to contain my enthusiasm after 5 minutes behind the wheel. However, my tune had changed. Indeed, the GTR was tremendously quick, or so said the speedometer, but it was even more so artificial. The steering, sound, traction control, and all-wheel drive system did not combine for a thrilling drive, but rather a disconnected one. Oh well, I thought, the GTR just isn't designed to be exciting. It is now one of the final model years for the R35 generation GTR. Introduced to the US market in 2009.